Here you go, madam. Your plate without cheese, just as you requested.
Sorry, I ordered it with cheese.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll change it now.
No problem, I will eat it. Thank you.
Didn't you just see me a moment ago? So, what are you here to ask for now?
I want to go out on a date with you.
At 8 p.m.
Wow.
Why did you look at that girl? You bastard!
Are you jealous of me, beautiful? There's no girl but you. My life, and the light of my eyes.